Are you ready to transform your body and mind? It's time to embark on an incredible fitness journey. This is your chance to unlock your full potential. Get ready to feel stronger, healthier, and more energized than ever before. This guide will give you the tools and inspiration you need. We'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps. Together, we will conquer challenges and celebrate victories. Get ready to become the best version of yourself. Before you hit the gym, let's take a moment to define your fitness goals. This is a crucial first step in your fitness journey. What do you want to achieve with your workouts? Take a moment to think deeply about this. Do you want to lose weight, build muscle, or simply improve your overall fitness and health? Each goal requires a different approach. Having clear, specific goals is crucial for staying motivated and on track. It gives you a roadmap to follow. Start with small, achievable goals that you can realistically meet. This will help you build confidence. Instead of aiming to lose 20 pounds in a month, set a more manageable goal, like 1 to 2 pounds per week. This is healthier and more sustainable. As you reach these smaller milestones, you'll build momentum and confidence. Remember, every step, no matter how small, counts towards your larger goal. Write down your goals and track your progress regularly. This will help you stay focused and see how far you've come. Keeping a record of your achievements will help you stay motivated and determined to keep going. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small they may seem. You deserve to recognize your hard work and dedication. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Building a solid routine will help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Start by scheduling specific times for your workouts. Treat your workouts like important appointments. Just like you wouldn't skip a doctor's appointment, don't skip your workouts. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your day. Find activities you enjoy and look forward to. This could be anything from dancing to hiking to swimming. When you enjoy your workouts, you're more likely to stick with them. Section 4. Conquering challenges. Overcoming obstacles on your fitness journey. There will be times when you face obstacles and setbacks. Life happens. It's important to recognize that these moments are part of the journey. The key is to anticipate these challenges and develop strategies for overcoming them. Planning ahead can make a significant difference. Don't let a busy schedule derail your progress. Time management is crucial. If you can't make it to the gym, find ways to incorporate movement into your day. Every little bit counts. Take the stairs, walk during your lunch break, or do some bodyweight exercises at home. These small actions add up over time. Remember that setbacks are temporary. They are just a small part of your larger journey. Don't let one bad day or one missed workout discourage you. Everyone has off days. Get back on track as soon as possible and keep moving forward. Consistency is key, and every step forward is progress. Section 5. Staying motivated. Fueling your fitness fire. Staying motivated is the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving long-term success in your fitness journey. Staying motivated is essential for long-term success. It's what keeps you pushing through the tough days and striving for your goals. Surround yourself with a supportive community that will cheer you on. Having people who believe in you can make all the difference. Find a workout buddy, join a fitness class, or share your journey with friends and family. These connections can provide encouragement and accountability. Track your progress and celebrate your accomplishments. Use fitness apps, journals, or charts to see your improvements over time. When you see how far you've come, it will fuel your motivation to keep going. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a step forward. Take progress photos, track your measurements, or keep a workout journal. Documenting your journey helps you visualize your success. Reward yourself for your hard work. Treats and rewards can be powerful motivators. This doesn't have to be anything major. It could be a new workout outfit, a massage, or a night out with friends. Small rewards can have a big impact. Recognizing your efforts will help you stay motivated and on track. Celebrate your journey and the progress you've made, and let it inspire you to keep moving forward. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the journey, unleash your potential. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs along the way, but the most important thing is to never give up on yourself. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your victories, and never stop pushing yourself. You are capable of achieving amazing things. Now go out there and make it happen. If you need additional guidance or support, don't hesitate to reach out. Together, we can make your fitness dreams a reality.